Who says it never rains in LA?
There's a palm tree right there.
We got a little cold snap coming through. Sun's going in and out. Check out these clouds. I think that horn was on for like 14 seconds. And so I'm headed back to Sammy's. I'm gonna return this lens because it just didn't autofocus. How do tree roots do this? It's raining in LA. It's a miracle. Except there's no clouds really. Where's that? Where's it coming from? Alright, so we're ready to go drop off some more pants today. So assuming that the chute isn't still broken from yesterday, we're really hoping that we can drop these off. These are some crazy clouds. Mario clogged it again. Come on, dude. Just clogging parcel dropship things. This weather, seriously. Now it looks like this. I started going to Trunk Club a couple months ago because I hate shopping. Shopping for clothes anyway. Camera gear, that's different. So they set you up with a stylist and they sort of take care of you for whatever your style is. So I was telling Allie about the new yoga pants and she thought they were pretty sweet. So Allie, being the fashionista that she is, she ordered a pair of yoga pants. So we're gonna go drop those off with her and take a couple extras for the other girls at Trunk Club. We also got these super sweet labeled stickers. Check this out. Paper Source is actually quickly becoming our most visited store in California. Got a lot of Foursquare check-ins. We're building up those points. Alright, so this is what we got. I love Trunk Club. This place is fun. They got ping pong tables, pool tables, a bar.
Yeah, girl.
Allie and Aaron, and they got my sweet custom shirts all set.
Yeah.
Pants.
They are. Yeah, they were in the back.
Are they comfy?
So lightweight. Yeah, like lightweight,
and
but I don't.
Short, and it's not like all my other ones I buy. They're like
Long.
scrunchy. Yeah. So cute.
And there's this pattern too.
Ooh, I like those.
Yeah.
Try those on, Barb.
I like these because.
Okay. All right. Okay. Wait.
Oh my god, look at that sunset.
Yeah, get that on your video.
Sure.
That's one of my favorite things about LA. There's always like a good sunset. All right, guys,
thank
have
you.
a good weekend.
Bye. Alright, so just got back from Trunk Club. It's actually a pretty awesome business model. Men hate to shop, I hate to shop. So they send you a box of clothing. The things that you like, you keep, and the things that you don't like, you send back. So my stylist, Allie, she bought a pair. We went to go drop them off, and a few other girls were interested. So super fun day, super great. And my custom shirts came in, so that's perfect. Now I'm gonna have a healthy dinner. Hopefully not the whole box. Or hopefully. I don't really know yet. Thought we were staying in, so I dressed for the occasion, but now we're gonna go out and get pizza. I'm proud of my choices.